Take out your book, My Little World, and page number 4. On page number 4, we have already learned the names of the colors. See, common colors. Once again, repeat the names. Red, yellow, blue, orange, green, purple, black, white, pink, brown and grey. Good. Now come on page number 5. Now see children, this is a child and what he is doing? A child is trying to catch butterflies that look alike. बच्चा क्या कर रहा है? जो बटरफ्लाइज एक जैसी दिखती है उन्हें पकड़ने की कोशिश कर रहा है. Now we will also color those butterflies which looks alike. See, find and color the butterflies that look alike. These are so many butterflies. We have to find those butterflies that looks alike and color them. See, what color is this? Yellow. Can you find a butterfly which has the same shape? Yes, we have to find here. See, these butterflies looks alike. So on this butterfly you have to color yellow. Okay? Yes. Now, which color is this? This is green. And you have to find the butterfly which have the same shape. Come on children, find the butterflies which has the same shape. Yes. This is the butterfly. These butterfly looks alike. So children, color this butterfly green. Very good. Now, wow, what a beautiful butterfly. Now, see butterflies. Which butterfly looks alike? This butterfly looks alike. These butterflies are same. So color those with the color red and yellow. Now like this you have to do this page. Alright. Now come on page number 6. Page number 6. Natural patterns. Complete the pattern by filling the right color. See children, these are patterns given. Alright. We have to find out which color comes next. Like first it is green leaves, then it comes orange leaves. So it means green leaves, then orange, then again it will come green. So you have to color the leaves with the green. Alright. So in these two leaves you will do the color green. Come on the next line. These are apples. Now see, we will find the pattern. This apple is of red color. This is yellow. Then again red. Then again it is coming yellow. It means the pattern is red, yellow, red, yellow. Then again it will come red, then yellow. Very good. So you will color this apple with the red color, then the next apple with the yellow color. Alright. Very good. Now come on to the next line. These are mushrooms. Now see children, this is orange, then red, then orange, then red. So the pattern is orange, then red, orange, then red. Then what color will come? Orange. Then after orange, what color will come? Red. So you will also color the mushroom with orange color, then with red color. Now come on to the last line. These are flowers. Now we'll see what pattern is this. Yellow, red, blue. Then again yellow. So we notice that after yellow what color is coming? Red. So we will also do the color red. Then after red, what color is coming? Blue. So we will do the color blue. Like this you have to do the whole page. Alright children, bye bye.